can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be.
So as of now, nagre-review ako ng mga concepts sa Chikal. Yan, yung mga dapat tandaan, importante. And then, yan. Naglutom ako. So, kain na tayo, guys. Sinigang na salmon belly. Cute. Yan, yung salmon belly na biligan ko si Daddy. Lasang fresh ba yun? Hindi naman sa fresh. Okay naman ito fresh. Kaya ang sarap. School. Sila na nagluto. Kain, guys. Hello everyone. Kay kahapon ay November 29. Ngayon, November 30, 11:47 na. Kumigising ka lang kanina and naligo na after. So, get ready with me. And, ayun. Ang plano natin for this day ay pagpatuloy yung inaral ko kahapon and tapusin na yung chapter 1 para masagutan ko na din yung chapter problems. Yeah. Para after nun, susubukan ko din magsagot ng questions about concepts galing din sa review for chemical engineering licensure exam. I'll try it para matas ko kung may naintindihan ba ako dun sa nabasa ko. Then, lagay lang ako sa mukha. Ito lang nilalagay ko. Yung aloe vera ng Lux Organic. Pero hindi pa ganun kasing clear yung mukha ko. Hindi kagaya nung aking kabataan. And sort of ay naman siya. And then don't forget to use sunscreen, guys. Kahit nasa loob lang kayo ng bahay, nasa kwarto lang kayo, sunscreen. Yeah. Ito yung ginagamit ko since buy one take one siya. Kakamart. Ayun. Ayun lang naman ang ating plan for today. Sana matapos.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing, a childish 20-something with my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws. Don't have it figured out yet. I'm a work of art and a work in progress.
You're not understanding. Also, is there anything you'd like to say? That's all.
I'm indecisive, I don't know why. My good intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry, it can't faze me. We can talk it out, no we don't need to fight. I can get anxious, but I won't cry. You never know, cause I keep it inside. So I show up strong, maybe to a fault.
Yun guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-aral, pero hindi pa rin pala tapos. Yeah, nagutom ulit ako. Yeah, Kaya later na ulit. Ang aking ulam, luto ulit ni Lola. Kiniling. Tapos yung tira kagabi, kumuha ko sa baon. Bagay silang dalawa. Anong oras na ba? It's already 2:18. Yeah. Habang kumakain, habang kumakain, nanonood muna ako ng Running Man. I'll just take a break. Then afternoon, Gara ulit. Katatapos ko lang sa pressure, pag-aaral sa pressure. Ngayon, itatry ko naman yung pag-solve. Yeah. Subukan kong i-solve tong example. Then after nun, ganda ako sa conservation of mass and material balance. Yeah. Ito guys. Pahinga din kayo. Kagigising ko lang kaninang 11. Yeah. Late na ako nagising. Hindi ako makatulog kagabi. And then, ang plano ko today ay yun, maligo muna. And after nun, mag-aaral ako ng check-out ulit. Hoping na matapos ko na yung chapter 1. Then, kanina, nag-try ako mag-edit ng Study With Me vlog.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious. Your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder. Always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that two things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused. So I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing, a childish.
Hi guys, I'm back ulit. Pumili ako ng milk tea. Nakaraan ko pa siya kinikrave. I really like their Oreo cheesecake. Yeah. Tapos nagpa-add lang din ako ng Oreo para mas kalasa ng favorite na cheesecake na brand ko.
I'm indecisive, I don't know why. My good intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry. You can't
Tapos,
fake me, you can talk it
ngayon, I'll try to watch YouTube videos about combustion of fuel gas. Medyo nalimutan ko na siya. And di ko masyado magets yung binabasa ko sa libro. Kaya, I'll try to watch something. Okay.
Po yung vascular na yung mga terminologies na ginagamit.
Thank
gabi na. It's, check natin ang oras. 7:55 p.m. And di ako masyado nag-vlog today. Yeah, nagpahinga lang ako. Yeah, mostly nanood lang ako ng movies. Isa lang pala, movie. Yeah, yung Legally Blonde. Then, nanood lang ang K-drama. 25-21. Tapos yun, nag-solve lang ako ng 5 problems. Ayun lang ang nangyari sa buhay ko, then pura tulog. See you, Tom! Guys, so, ano na ngayon? It's already December 5. Yun, parang gabi na yung vlog ko, no? Yan, kanina, nanggaling ako sa school, nag-enroll ako, then, para hindi sayang pamasahe, dumaan na din ako sa mall. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi nahihiya pa ako. Ang dami din tao kanina. Ayan. I got milk tea sa Macau. Bilig talaga ako sa Oreo cheesecake. Oreo cheesecake. Or cheesecake with Oreo. Yeah, ayun lang. Ano naman? Gumanda lang.